Here's the aftermath, that explosion. Okay, so water got everywhere, all the front tire. There, it hit my brother who was standing there. Got the chair, the floor, and a ton of mud on this. Flung over just everywhere because I just popped. Literally, it was going so fast. I decided, oh, I'll throw this at it. And then that popped it, that little thing. That's crazy. Wonder, that wasn't even, like, that was just a bad. So now it's not filled with water anymore, because this one filled with water, but they're both filled with water. That was a crazy explosion.